Hello students, welcome to this value-added course on data analytics using Python. So in the second part of the presentation, we are going to learn the different IDEs used for Python. So let me move to the presentation.
So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's a program dedicated to software development. So IDEs integrate several tools specifically designed for software development. So what are the tools? So an editor, which is used to design to handle the code, and for example, the syntax highlighter and auto completion options, which are incorporated in editor. So which the editor tool will be incorporated in IDE. And also IDE contains build options, execution options, some other debugging tools. And best IDEs provides a version feature, that is version control features. And here I have listed some of the IDEs like Eclipse, Sublime Text, Autumn, GNU Emacs, VI, Vim, Visual Studio, etc. So these are some of the IDEs which supports for Python programming. Apart from these IDEs, some of the Python specific IDEs, that is editors, it supports only the Python programming. So for example, PyCharm, Jupyter, Spider, Tony. So we are going to learn, or we are going to get a brief idea about these four IDEs one by one. So what is Spider? So Spider IDE supports different OS like Linux, Mac OS, and also Windows OS. It's an open source software. It can be installed separately, or otherwise it is also available in Anaconda environment, Anaconda distribution. And it is developed for Python and specifically for data science applications. So this is the features. It has code editor with robust syntax and error highlighting feature, and automatic code completion and navigation options are available, debugger available, integrated documentation available, and it is very similar to the MATLAB and RStudio interfaces. It's look like similar to MATLAB and RStudio. And this is the appearance of Spider IDE. And this is the different areas. That is, this is the scripting area, this is file or variable area, and this is the console which shows line by line statements. After completing the code, we can just click this green button to execute our program. So this is the general appearance of Spider IDE. And next, we are going to learn the PyCharm IDEs, which is also supported by Linux OS, Mac OS, and Windows platform. And it only supports Python programming. So once again, it is installed separately or it is available on Anaconda distribution. And features like syntax and error highlighting, code compilation, navigation, unit testing, debugging, version controllers. So all are available in PyCharm IDE also. So this is the general appearance of PyCharm IDE. So this is the coding part, coding area, and these are supporting project area. And after once the code is completed this area, we can execute by using run option, which is available in run menu, or otherwise here also the run option is available in right hand side, top right hand side. There is a button is available to execute the program. And another important IDE is Jupyter Notebook. It is also specifically for Python programming, but it also supports Julia, R, and Scala. So it is used for web applications that allows creation and manipulation of documents, so which is called notebooks. So it is also open source software bundled with Anaconda distribution, or we can install separately. And this is a general appearance. We can type the statement one by one and even execute a single line statements. After completing the statement, we can just click this option, run option. We can get the output immediately, the next line of the statement itself. So that is the general appearance of Jupyter Notebook. And another IDE is the recent addition, that is Tony IDE. So it is a recent addition to the Python family, Python IDE family, is built as an IDE for beginners. So it is written and maintained by Institute of Computer Science at the University of Tartu, which is in Estonia. So it is the general appearance of this Tony IDE. So this is the coding part. So after completing the coding, the output is displayed this part. So this is the run option. Run button is available and run option is available in run menu also. Yes, so far we have learned what is IDEs and what are different environments, that is coding environment, that is different IDEs. So what is Spider, what is PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Tony IDE. So we are getting the fundamental ideas about these IDs. So thank you for your active watching. Thank you.